All right, so we are in here, we're looking at a House bill. I don't know if I want to support or go against it in my testimony. And so I just need this number 1169. I'm going to go to bill information, put in 1169, hit search. It's going to tell me who are the sponsors. It's going to tell me at what point it is in the House. So right now it's been introduced, it's still in committee. And if I want to read more about the bill, more specifics, I'm going to look at right here. So click on the actual bill. And some of the things, if it's got quotations around, that's a definition of something. So if you're not sure what a word is, in those sections it'll define it. And then another thing, sorry about going really fast here. Let's get to I need an example of something. Let me find a good example. Okay, so here's a good example. If it's been striked out, that means they are planning on removing that. And then if it's underlined, it's going to be added in instead. And so that's kind of what you want to look for is there any big changes that are going to affect you or your family members if parts of this are removed and other parts are added in. And that's pretty much it. So you would go back, you could check out, view the original bill and see what's going on. And then if you agree or disagree, then you would go back. Let's go on back to the other. Go back to your committee. And here was that House bill I was looking at. And then you can submit your testimony. So then you can have your own educated background on what's going on, and then you can make a decision from that point.